What's going on, guys? You guys already know I'm back. I know you guys been missing the videos with the wave videos because I was gone for a long time. All right, I was gone for a long time. Spent the whole week with the family. Didn't do anything except make that one video for you guys. And after that, I was cool. I didn't answer any DMs, texts, emails from company. I didn't do any of that. You guys been asking for, the washing style. They're like, do washing style. Then I uploaded the one with Benny So Wavy, and you guys said, you guys want my own video. So I'm coming out with it for you guys. This is my co-wash / washing style video. So this is it right here. This is As I Am Coconut Co-Wash, and I use this to really, if I just gotta have a workout, my hair really smells really bad. I don't want to, wake up the next morning, I'm walking around with my hair smelling nasty. So this is what I use right here if I want to, kind of get my hair, make it smell good. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to strip all the nutrients, but at the same time, I still want my hair to smell good. I don't want to walk around smelling funky. Us wavers, we don't rock like that, all right? We don't rock like that. Even though we wash our hair every week, we still got to be smelling fresh, all right? Take care of yourself. So it's what I'll be using in this video. It will be linked down in the description below for you guys. But let's go ahead and get to the washing style. So this is what you're going to need to do the washing style with the co-wash method, okay? Now you're going to need a water bottle because, if you're in the shower, you don't need this, okay? But you are going to need the co-wash, of course. You're going to need it so, wash your hair and all that. You guys already get it, right? Then you're going to need your brush, okay? You're going to need a shower brush. Now look, my shower brush is all types of messed up. You don't want a nice brush unless you balling like that. But me, I want to use this nice little beauty store Sally Beauty type brush, okay? It's pretty self-explanatory, but let's go. Now you can either use the comb or you can use the brush, but for you guys' sake, I'm just gonna use both just to show you guys how I use, either the comb or the brush. To be honest, it really doesn't matter. I guess I'm just really doing this for you guys. Now we pretty much just gotta wash it out of our hair. So now we pretty much just gotta wash it one more time with the co-wash. So then we make sure that our hair is as clean as possible, because looking back at what I was combing out of my hair, it didn't look pretty. So now we're basically just gonna go ahead and put another thing of co-wash in. So that was pretty much our last, time we were gonna put the CoWash in our hair. Now, the reason why I say, I just go ahead and I rinse my hair. I really don't throw on a shower cap or a stocking cap or a silky do-rag. Well, it's because I'm a straight hair waver. Straight hair wavers, your hair is going to be flat anyways. After you go ahead and rinse it out, then you just want to comb it into place real quick and let it air dry. Since I'm a straight hair waver, I am going to come back to you guys after my hair has completely air dried, is completely dry, and all this and that. But if you are a medium and coarse hair waver doing this CoWash, I'm telling you guys, what you want to do is you guys want to put on a do-rag, shower cap, stocking cap, something that the water can get through. If all you got is a silky do-rag, go ahead and use that. It'll work the same way. But after you rinse it out with the do-rag on, don't take the do-rag off. You dry your hair with the do-rag on. And then what you want to do is then you want to actually wait until the do-rag completely dries to unrag your hair. Now, I would say if you're doing this in the morning, keep ragged up all the way till night or further in the evening. Or if you're doing this in the evening, don't unrag until the morning. That's just a tip for if you're a medium or a coarse hair waver. But if you're a straight hair waver, just let your hair air dry. I'll come back to you guys after it completely dries. Alright, so now that my hair is fully dried, right now it really doesn't feel like I have any waves really, but in actuality they still there. They still there, alright? My hair is fully dried. And what you really want to do is you really just want to go ahead and get a nice comb session. After you comb, then you want to go ahead and you want to use your medium brush. We want to lay it down with the plastic bag. You could use a soft brush after you use the medium, then use the plastic bag, and then rag up. But yeah, that's I don't know. This is what I'm doing right now. If you guys want, that's another choice, another route that you guys can take if you guys want to do that. But I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm gonna keep it a little bit short just for the video. Okay. The brush that I'm using right now is the Torino number 7 medium brush with blonde bristles. You can go on brushking.org if you guys want to pick up the brush, or they're on Amazon. You just type in Torino Pro curved number 7 and this brush will come up for you guys if you guys want to go ahead and pick that up. Let's get into the comb session real quick. Hey, if you still here, don't click off yet. I got something to say for you people. It's a common question, so you stay to the end of the video right after this brush session real quick. Yeah. If you want to go ahead and pick one of these do-rags up, go ahead and go to waveityourway.com. I mean, the link will be down in the description below, but go ahead and use code 360wiz at checkout for 10% off. Helps me out, helps you guys out, and plus you get a nice do-rag, in exchange for that. You feel me? Alright, so that's basically what I do for my wash method as a straight hair waver. Even though I also gave you guys a little tip, for my coarse hair wavers or my medium texture wavers out there, just leave the do-rag on. After it dries though, that's when you want to go ahead and get a session in for your morning session when you unrag. That's the most important session, is bouncing your waves back after you go ahead and wash your hair. I also said I'd tell you guys something, a very common question that I get in the comments a lot of times when I do these washing style or just how to wash your waves videos is, can I wash my hair if I have no waves? Can I do this? And that's a yes, because when you're trying to get waves, you're trying to train your hair while it's short before your curl length actually comes and your waves start to form. You're training your hair what pattern you want to lay it down in, and that's very important. You do want to do a washing style or our brush method, because it would definitely help with progress when you're getting your waves. If you are trying to get waves and you're trying to turn your hair and you're going to scramble washing, it's going to mess up your progress when you're actually trying to brush. Scramble washing for me is only for elites, people who have their pattern completely set. That's only really people who don't lose progress when they do the scramble wash method. So if that's what you guys want to see, go ahead, like I said, drop it down in the comments. Go ahead and like the video, and you know what? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, like the video if you like the video. Because why don't you like the video if you like the video? Go ahead and drop a comment down below if you guys, because you guys already know I love for you guys comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe because you guys